What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, M. Williams, Sugar Salon TV. Make sure you like and subscribe. And please hit the notification button, the bell, so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know by hitting that notification bell. Right here, you see me doing a silk press. Her hair is very thick. I've already shampooed it. I also want to mention steam hydration. Steam hydration is everything for the hair. It helps your hair even when you have dry scalp or you have flaky scalp or itchy scalp. You have a lot of dandruff, any of that, it'll get rid of that. Also, it's great for anti-reversion. This basically meaning that whenever you get your press, it'll last a little longer if you get that steam hydration. I have 2 salon suites offering private services in North Atlanta, Swanee, and Cumming, Georgia. And I offer steam hydration at both locations. Here you see me using my Babyliss Pro iron. I love that iron. It cost me like $150, $160, but it's worth it. I mean, it's great. That's the only flat iron that I use for my presses. Great iron. Right here, you see me doing what I call drop curls. You see me dropping the curls. Sorry that your view isn't that great, but you're going to see it a little better in a few seconds. So just bear with me. My videos will get better and better on YouTube for you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. So there's my number flashing up. That's my Instagram. I froze it here so that you could see how I was doing a drop curl. It's pretty simple. You just twirl. See how you just pull the flat iron back? Babyliss Pro iron. Just letting you know. You better recognize. Anyway, been in the hair industry as a licensed master stylist in the hair industry over 30 years. I've seen the industry change a lot. I'll get to that at some point. But right now, just dropping these curls. And if you could like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload or download a new video. This is my 2 locations in North Atlanta. Hope to see you soon. Hope you enjoy.